Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I recently did a video on the 5 things that I love about my YJ. And don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this car. But today we're gonna talk about the 5 things that I hate about my YJ. And to kick it off, we're gonna start with acceleration. So this is the slowest car that I've ever owned. 0 to 60 in this YJ is probably like 17 seconds. Terribly slow, which obviously the purpose of a YJ isn't a street race, but it's nice to have a car that can get out of its own way. You know, when you're merging into traffic, you know, this car, you just have to be a little bit more patient when it comes to driving. See how fast this thing will accelerate for us. And 20 miles an hour, 25, 30, 35. Is that 10 seconds to get to 35 miles an hour? This thing is slow. The second thing is the top speed. It's hard to get this car on the highway because it doesn't like going any faster than like 55 miles an hour. And if I had to test out the top end, I would guess it would probably go maybe 75 miles an hour, and that's pushing it. Again, this car was made back in '88, so at the time I think most of the highways were probably like 55 mile an hour highways, which it would make sense to have the gearing the way that it is. But because of the gearing and also because of the power, it's just slow. The third thing that I hate about my YJ is the level of security that it has. There's no locks on the front doors, so anyone can just open the doors. Right now I have a soft top, so someone could easily just cut it. If I didn't have the soft top on, people could just jump inside the car. So really the only security measures that I have are, one, it's a manual, so if anyone tried to steal it, they'd have to know how to drive a manual car or have something to tow it with. And the second is a bar that I stretch across the steering wheel so that hopefully it deters someone from stealing it. I think it would be close to impossible to drive a car with that bar on the steering wheel. The fourth thing that I hate about the YJ is rusted nuts and bolts. So granted, this car isn't very rusty. Still, when it comes to doing any kind of modifications on anything underneath the car, usually the nuts and bolts take a little bit more elbow grease to break loose. So you're definitely gonna have to have a breaker bar if you're gonna try to do anything like change the leaf springs out or do anything to the suspension. Sometimes that could lead to breaking nuts and bolts. I've been very fortunate that I haven't done that so far. Anytime I've done mods to the bottom of the car, it takes a good amount of effort. And finally, the fifth thing that I hate about this YJ, this car is really only made for short trips. There's no way I could get this thing on the highway and go more than like 2 hours away. I just wouldn't feel comfortable. Although I've kept this car up really well since I've got it. I've changed all the fluids on it. You can check the videos. This engine has 185,000 miles on it. I just wouldn't feel too comfortable getting it too far away from home. But with all that said, the good definitely outweighs the bad. I absolutely love this car at the end of the day. It's great if I just want to hop in the car, go down the street, go to the store, go get a coffee. This is perfect for that. If you have any questions on my YJ or any of the mods that I've done, leave them in the comment section below. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.